Nathan just got home.
Oh no.
Hey guys. Yeah, so I'm in the bathroom. You might be thinking, Liz, what the heck are you doing in your bathroom, standing in your bath with full glam on? Well, first of all, as you can see from the title, I am cutting my own hair today. Second of all, I'm wearing full glam because it is Friday morning and I just felt like putting full glam on. I also haven't done full glam in so long and I just really wanted to play with some makeup. So yeah, here I am in all my glory, in my full glam in my bathroom. Some of you may have seen Sophia Nygaard's video where she follows a tutorial cutting her own hair. Well, didn't I just see that and think it would be a good idea? You may also be thinking, Liz, why don't you just go get your hair cut at a hairdresser's like everybody else? Well, the answer to that is very simple. I probably couldn't make a potentially funny, potentially disastrous video out of that. Now could I? So yes, today I'm going to be cutting off my luscious locks. It's very hot where I live. It's spring, but literally at the beginning of spring we were having 46-degree days. So you can imagine that all this makes it very, very hot for me. I've also had my hair long for just such a long time. And I mean, if I want to grow it back long again, I'll just grow it again. I'll just show you what we're working with. As you can see, my hair is very, very long. It touches just like the dip in my back there. It's very long. I've always had it long ever since I was a child and my parents decided to cut it short on me when I didn't want it short. It is also dead straight, so I can't do anything with it. Now, listen, some of you may be thinking, Liz, didn't you study hairdressing for 2 years? Yes, I did. Don't you know better than to cut your own hair? Yes, I do. But anything for views, am I right? So you know what? I'm just gonna wing it. Cut it short is probably not gonna go down well. Anyways, if you want to come on this journey with me, see me potentially ruin my hair, keep on watching. So I'm just gonna wet my hair. There's a mirror here, so that's why I'm facing this way. I have seen a lot of people's tutorials where they like cut their hair dry. In hairdressing, I was always taught to cut hair wet. Literally everyone does it differently though, so each to your own, you know what I mean? I know there's gonna be so many people screaming at me for cutting my hair because it's so long. And people literally love my long hair, but you know, it's time to go. I've had my hair like this for so long and I can always grow it back. Just got the genius idea to put a towel on. Wow. Oh. My hair just flicked onto my back and it is cold. And before people also scream at me in the comments about donating my hair because it's so long, I actually can't donate it because it's dead. To be able to donate your hair, it actually has to be healthy or at least salvageable. My hair is so dead because I haven't really cut it. Okay, I've had just about enough of that.
And step 2 is to make sure my part is where I want it to be.
Now I'm just gonna part it down the middle and attempt to brush it. Honestly, the hardest thing to do with your hair when it's long is brush it when it's wet. Oh god, there's water flying everywhere. Ow, ow, ow. Owie. One thing that I just know is not going to work out is this haircut being straight. So yeah, can pretty much kiss goodbye to that straight off the bat. By the way, nobody knows that I'm cutting my hair either. I kind of hinted to Nathan, my boyfriend, that I wanted to cut my hair, but he does love my hair long, so don't know how this is gonna go down. R.I.P. sorry, my guy. This is how long it is all wet.
The next step is to make like a very smooth and flat pigtail on this side with the rubber band. All right, how's that?
Yeah, I think it looks like it's choppable.
Oh, well, this is not the chopping rubber band.
No, I know.
This is the intermediary rubber band. And then do the same thing with the side I just put away. Ooh, how's that? I haven't rocked the pigtails in a minute.
That's a look. I have to also be realistic about the fix-up process, because they'll have to cut more to be able to fix it up, so.
Now with another rubber band, tie that beneath the ponytail you just did.
You know what? I'm just gonna go for it.
This rubber band will act as a guide as to how short you will cut your hair.
Yes, this is the
Wow.
important one.
Now that I look at it, that is actually a lot of hair. Oh my gosh. I've literally been waiting to do this for the longest time. Now comes the fun part.
It's not that much, but I'm still scared.
Honestly,
She's scared. Should I be scared?
do I really want to say goodbye to my hair?
Cut away.
Oh my god, it's happening.
All right, hold.
You can't say that.
Go. And snip.
Oh my god, it was totally at an angle. Oh my god, it's at an angle now, it's getting worse.
Yeah, just chop through us off. And snip.
Look.
Wow. So that didn't really go as straight as it could have. Look at that hair. Oh my god, what have I done?
Oh my god, Ty, I'm doing a really bad job. Oh my god. Oh,
No?
this is a hack job. This is character assassination.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, at least they look exactly the same.
They look pretty similar.
So I botched both sides, love that. Oh my god, I look so weird.
Now it's time to reveal how the actual cut
What
looks.
have I done?
Yeah.
We'll do that.
Let's assess the damage, shall we?
Oh.
That actually looks kind of good. It looks stylishly.
Wow. New year, new me. New hair hoodies. Nathan's gonna kill me. Hi. I look like instantly so much more mature, don't you think? I mean, I know I have to fix it up, but if I'm honest, that's pretty good. Well, it's too late to go back now. It's pretty short, but you know what? I actually love it. I think it suits me. What do you think? Do we love it? Rest in peace to this. I mean, this stuff is just so dead. I don't know if you guys can see all of the split ends. It actually feels so weird and gross holding this. Maybe I'll film Nathan's reaction. That'll be fun. I feel like I could probably fix it up a bit. So, I fixed it up. Somewhat. I mean, I can't see back there. This is how we turned out. This is the finished look. I'll show you guys Nathan's reaction if you want to see that. Got my hair behind my ears so we can't see it.
Oh no. What the fuck have you done?
You don't like it?
I don't know.
You like my new haircut? You like my new haircut?
This is different, isn't it?
Basically, that is all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you found it insightful, frightful, whatever have you. I mean, if I'm honest, I'm really loving it. I'm loving the change. I'm sure I'll grow it back really long one day, but for now, new year, new me. Don't be scared of change, drastic changes, I mean small changes. A new haircut is as good as a holiday, they say. I'm about to test that theory. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already and you like me and you like my videos and you like my new haircut. And I'll see you in my next video, which may have my hair back to long because, you know, the whole video schedule thing. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. That is where I keep you guys up to date the most. When I'm posting, what I'm posting, what I'm doing, all that jazz. So, bye guys.